Hello everyone, this is Mauro from Bread and Cards, and today we are gonna try to solve a little problem to the window of my wife's car. It's a Fiat 500, and when I try to open, or better, when I try to close the window, I hear some shots. So let's try to find a solution. I think that I already know what's the problem, but we will discover it together. Okay, this is the noise that I hear when I open or close the window. Ready? Go. I don't know if you are able to hear the noise, but I can assure you that it's very, very strange. So we can start, and before start we have to open the window. Let's start by removing the cover from the door handle. Okay, we have to use a small plastic tool in order to avoid to ruin the cover. Okay, first step done. Now we have to remove this little cover. Let's try with this one. Perfect, it works. So now, just a moment. As you can see, we have two screws here and the third one here. And let's go to remove all the screws. Let's go to remove the door panel. We have to pull the panel with some strength, but be careful to not break it. And this is the situation inside. Now we have to unplug this one and this connector. Okay, it's very easy to remove both the connector. This one is you have to pull just like this, and then you can pull it like this, and this connector you have to simply pull it, and in this way you release it. Now we have to try to remove this without break it, and to do this we can try to use a cutter, just like this. Okay, just I was saying a few moments ago, we have to cut the glue with a cutter, just like this, in order to be able to reuse it. As you can see, you can attach this part again. Okay, so with the cutter we are able to do this, and it's enough like this. And as you can see, this screw is loosened, so this is why I hear that sound. Okay, I tightened the screw, and now let's try to see if the noise is gone. Perfect. And now let's put everything back together. Okay, as you can see, everything went perfect. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope also that maybe it could be useful for someone of you. What can I say? Subscribe to the channel, put a like to this video, and enjoy your life. Bye bye.